Hi team, here is my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic about the rise of renewable energy in the United States. The infographic is composed of three sections: 1, 2, 3. The first section is based on facts and I followed the contrast principle to differentiate and highlight the main points. I used two colors, block type and size, to create the contrast. The second section contains graphs and I applied proximity principle in this section of my infographic, where these graphs are aligned as a group and can be perceived as one unit. The third section explains the infographic and it follows the principle of both proximity and alignment. Text on a page is easier to read and properly aligned to the margin. I also added a picture given a parenthetical explanation of text and aligned with text. On the whole, the infographic perfectly follows the principle of contrast, proximity, and alignment. Please ask if you have any questions. Thank you.